Hello everyone. Welcome back to Lantu a Bike channel, and today we're checking out this fantastic mobility scooter specifically designed for seniors and mature riders who want a safe, comfortable, and practical way to get around. Let's dive in. First off, check out this 3-wheel design. It's rock-solid stable, so no wobbling or balancing stress, perfect if you want confidence on the road. Under the hood, this scooter packs a 500-watt hub motor. It's enough power for smooth acceleration and gentle hills. And 48V20Ah lead-acid battery gives you solid ranger for daily errands. And it also has an extra comfy seat. It looks very wide, padded and ergonomic. The huge storage space can also fit your groceries, bags, or even a small pet carrier. No more struggling with heavy loads. Riding this feels safe and effortless, the speed is just right, the turning radius is tight, and those 3 wheels keep you steady even at stops. So if you or a loved one want freedom without compromise, this mobility scooter is a winner, affordable, low maintenance, and built for comfort. If you have interested in our mobility scooter, just contact us or subscribe for more smart mobility videos.